Hey everybody, do you want to do word search puzzles quick and easily? Well, then this is the show for you. Hey, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I just wanted to let you know that today is the last day that you can get the word search, the shape word search puzzles for the reduced price. It's a really cool product. I just wanted to show you what I made. I did steampunk, and I just quickly ended these with images. So it makes it it basically makes word search puzzles in the images. Now you do need transparent PNGs to do that. So that's the kind of graphics you're looking for when uploading on this. But I also wanted to show you, you can do like kids things too. This would be more of an adult. But this is kind of a kids version. You could do planets. There's so many themes you can do. And this is one of the things. So I was doing, like planets and stars and just showing you the kids aspect. The other thing that I wanted to kind of point out that's really cool is if you click on this and you open your settings, it's really easy to customize and change things. And one of the things I wanted to show you is that you can actually like make this shape disappear. And some of these it makes more sense than others. I've actually changed the opacity so that it's pretty low. So like you can tell from this one, it's darker than this one. But let's say you wanted it completely 0, you can do that. So we're gonna make it 0, update word search. See, and then you have like a shape of something. This may not, it looks like a circle with maybe some lines. So, some of these would be better than others. But if not, you can really just leave that shape in there just really, 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 really lightly so that your reader, purchaser of your product can see what that shape was meant to be. So I think actually that's the best way to do it, to leave it really low. Or this is a good one too. I don't think this opacity really interferes with the letters. I think if you have it too dark, it interferes with the letters. But I think these really work. And this isn't too bad because it's all consistent. You can see the picture behind, but yet it's not really interfering with the letters because it's not, like this right here, how it kind of, it's dark and light, that kind of interferes with your eye and be able to see things. But actually it probably makes the puzzle a little bit more challenging too. So that's something to think of too. And you can also change the size of the grid, the size of the font to make it easier, harder, large print, smaller print, whatever you need. But I wanted to go over the offer just so you understand it real quick. Okay, so I wanted to show you what is included in each offer. The front end offer is $47 and it pretty much does everything you need it to do. It creates the word search puzzles. You can upload your own images, which have to be PNG, transparent PNGs. It downloads your book in one whole click with the solutions. It also, you can download the files as a PNG, PDF, or JPEG, which is really good. You can do that either way. And if you actually download it in a PNG or JPEG, you can easily create a book or add pages to a book using the photo album feature of PowerPoint. That's a really fast way to take a bunch of images and create a book. And then you can actually save those as a PDF, which is what you'll need for KDP. Now you can download up to 100 downloads per month, which may not sound like a lot, but 100 downloads per month is a lot. If you're going to use 100 books per month, that would be a lot. Now, you may not do all these in one sitting, but let's say it takes you 3 sittings for each. That's still $33 per month. That's a really good amount. Unless you're doing mass production, which probably most of you are not, this front end is going to do everything you need it to do. It includes support and training. Also, so the one-time offer, which is $67, the real advantage of this, I guess two, is the unlimited downloads per month. So if you're really worried about that, you can download it as a PDF, or not PDFs, I'm sorry. You can also download it as a PowerPoint file. And then the 3-click book bulk creation, where you can drop a bunch of images and a bunch of lists, and it will put them all together. So it's kind of definitely a way to bulk create. So that is a real advantage if you're going to do a lot of these. This is something you really may want, or you just want to save some time, and that's really good. Okay, so there's other things it can do, but really, as far as you're concerned, that's the big things. It can remove duplicates in your word list. And okay, the OTO too, so this one-time offer, the second one, is $97, and it includes all the ability to create books in these different languages, in the sense it makes sure that the alphabet and everything, all the characters are correct. So you put in your Spanish, French, German, Dutch, Swedish, or various types of, I think that's Chinese, might be Korean, Japanese, maybe, don't ask me, I'm terrible with languages, but you can put all in those, and you are able to create those kinds of books, which is pretty Spanish word search. I have like one or two of those, and that's kind of a unique place that you can actually expand and do something that someone's not in already. So especially if you're a native speaker, those can be really great. The last one is it's quality illustrations and border illustrations, and unlimited use, commercial use rights for those. So those are all the upgrades. It just depends what you want to do. You can get this front end file and then just get the ones in Spanish. So basically, once you get the front end, that you can get any of the others. You don't have to get all of them. You can get one. You can pick what you like. But honestly, this front end at $47 is a really good value, and I think for most people, this is all you're going to need. So I just wanted to let you know and kind of explain that and remind you that today is the last day that you can get that at basically midnight tonight, Eastern Time, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The prices will go up. So I just wanted you to be aware and kind of understand the different things within basically all the offers. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.